At 18 years old, Arnold Schwarzenegger was in the Austrian military. Not famous, not successful, just a conscript doing what he was told. But there was a bodybuilding competition in Stuttgart, the Junior Mr. Europe. So he snuck off the base without permission. He competed, he won. And when he came back, they put him in jail. Think about that for a second. He had no professional career waiting. Bodybuilding was not a real path to anything in 1965. There was no roadmap. No one was telling him this was going to work. He risked his military record for a sport that barely existed as a profession. From the outside, that looks insane. From the inside, that was the whole thing. That is the decision that separates people. Not the one made after everyone agrees with you, the one made before anyone does. Most people wait for permission. They wait until the dream looks safe enough to chase. He did not wait, and the world never forgot his name.